In this video, I show you how to solve YouTube is not responding problem on Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search YouTube, tap on YouTube. Now tap on update if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search YouTube, tap on YouTube, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open YouTube app. Now I hope that you solve YouTube is not responding problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.